Hey guys, Darren's here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use and set up an all-in-one widget that you can change and customize. I've been wanting to share this for a while now. I've just not had a way to do it. I knew there was a way you could share a link. You could share a link and then it'll put it over to your overlays. So I was digging around because this is on Stream Elements, but you can use it in Streamlabs. I'll explain that in a bit. I'll explain that in a bit. So I was looking around for ages in Stream Elements, like how do I make an overlay I've made shareable so people can just one-click it and it's straight to their overlays in Stream Elements. I was like, how do I do this? Scratching my head for ages, trying to figure it out because I knew you could do it, I couldn't find it. So then I ended up emailing them. So I emailed Stream Elements like, blah blah blah. I want to be able to share my overlays with people so if people can do it, blah blah blah. And I can't remember now. This was a few weeks ago, so I can't remember word for word what they said. But basically, it's like a partnership. I don't know if it is necessarily like a partnership, but basically, from what I could tell, big time streamers or big time like content creators, so people with a name, they get like extra features with Stream Elements, and one of them is that they get to share their overlays as like a one-click link thing. But there is a way I can share it without having that feature, which we'll go over today. I'll show you how to set up, what things you can change, and how you can change the icons and stuff on it. I'll go through all that today. But first off, I need to say two things. One, about the Stream Elements, Streamlabs things. This overlay is in Stream Elements, which you can use if you're not using Stream Elements or OBS Studio to stream from. If you're using Streamlabs, you can still use this, but there's a downside. Now, this box will go over, all your basic things, your recent follower, your recent share, it'll go over recent donation, highest donation, recent sub, and recent raid. That's how I've set up. You can change it, go over that in a bit. But anyway, now when you have donations, you either have it through like Stream Elements or Streamlabs. So when people click that link, it'll take you to your donation page where you put, like your PayPal, your bank card. Now, if that link is to Streamlabs and you're using this overlay widget on Stream Elements, it will be able to get everything from your Twitch account, your shares, your subs. It doesn't get donations because donations aren't done through Twitch, done through like Streamlabs, Stream Elements, etc. So if your donation link is Streamlabs, when people click on it and donate to you, it won't show on this widget because this widget is on Stream Elements. So if you did want to have recent donations and stuff like that on this widget, you would need to remove your donation link with Streamlabs and set up one with Stream Elements, so then your donations will get pulled from Stream Elements and it'll put it onto the widget. Ooh, I felt like a very long-winded thing. The second thing before we get straight into it is I need to do a huge shout out to some badass who helped this happen. I wanted to make this for a while. This was like last year. I wanted to make it. I know they didn't have nothing. I do know Stream Elements now does have a way where you can have basically this thing, but it's not as customizable as what we've got. So I wanted it. I was like, I really want to be able to do this. So Sabadass helped me do it. He pretty much did all the hard work. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give pretty much all the credit to him. Like 98% of credit. He did all the coding. I would have scratched my head for days at doing the code, and I just did all the rest. I designed the icons and stuff, Photoshop, but he did all the hard work. I just had the idea. I did the designs. He did all the coding. So I need to give a huge shout out to him. I'll put a link down below to his Twitch. Go and feel free to check him out. He's an awesome guy. He streams variety of games, and yeah, just go give him some love. Check him out. I couldn't have had this overlay without him, so greatly appreciate it, and a huge shout out to him. Now, yeah, let's just jump straight into it. I'll show you so you can see what mine looks like, and then we'll go over everything with it. So, let's get to it. Hey guys, so here we are now. I just wanted to show you this all-in-one widget, how I use it. As you can see, I have it on my camera overlay for just enough camera overlay. It's just this box, still all-in-one widget. So I'm going to show you how you get that now. So if you go to Stream Elements, log in. If you haven't used it before, then link your Twitch with it and log in. Then come over to my overlays on your dashboard, then create blank overlay. Not on your dashboard, my bad. Then you click the plus icon, and go to static and custom and click custom widget. You'll have this. Now, as you see, you've got all this here on the left. Just on the top, click open editor. And you got these 4, I don't know a proper word for them. These 4 sections, you know, your HTML, JavaScript, so on. Now down below, there'll be a link to my Google Drive, and it'll be a raw file. And if you extract it, there'll be 4 text files there. These. It'll be called all-in-one widget, and inside it'll be them 4 text files. As you can see, them text files, the names match with them. So basically, just go for each one, copy, Control C, and Control V, paste it over this. So next one is CSS. So CSS, highlight it all. Control C. Oh, I just clicked on JavaScript. And paste it over. Next, JavaScript. Highlight it. Oops. Highlight it all. And highlight all this. Oops. Paste. And then last one, fields. Copy all this. This one's a bit bigger, so it'll take a bit more to scroll down. Control C. And highlight all of this. And here you are. Control V and paste that. Now, if click done, this is what you got. As you can see. Now, let's go over a few of the things. So, you can change font, as you can see straight away. This will be the first thing down here on the list. Change the font. Change whatever you want. If you've got a certain font that you use, then pick that. Me, myself, I use Rye. Now, the font size, you will need to tweak. I have mine to 50, and as you can see with the icon, it lines up nicely. Like, the icon's like in the middle. Now, if it was on 40, see how the icon's a little bit above. So, I have that to 50. And it lines up nicely. If you go further down, you'll see your events. You'll see a total of 6 events. And there's only 3 on so far. Latest sub, chair, and follower. Now, I have 5 icons that I've made, as you can see there. I haven't got one for host or anything else like gift. I think you can do gift in here. There's a few things you can do in it. You might be able to do like gift sub. Maybe when someone purchases merchandise too. I don't have any icons for that. I only have an icon for donation, sub, cheer, follower, and raid. And the 6 events I have. But a lot of the icons you could use, like see latest sub, resub, or latest new sub, latest resub. They would all use the same icon. So we need to add 3 more events. You don't need to. It depends. You set this up where you want. You may not want latest follower. You may not want followers now. You may not want, set how you want. But how I have it, for number 4, I then have latest tip. Total tip. Latest tip. Then I have highest tip. And my number 6 is raid. Latest raid. Which is there. Now, you do need to add some things in these boxes. As you can see for the rest, it's got like name and amount. That's pretty much what you need to do. So, number 4, it's tip. So, you're going to need name. If you just click it, it'll come up there. And then amount. And same for number 5, because it's the tip. You're going to need the name there. And then you're going to need the amount. And then raid. I can't remember if you need to add anything. I don't think you do. But we'll just watch now. We'll go through. We'll go through all 6 of them. There's the latest chair. And then I'll go follow. And then donation. Latest donation. So it should have the name. Yep, name. And amount. And then name and amount. Icon. And then raid. I don't think we need it. Oh wait, yes. Raid doesn't pick nothing up. So it doesn't give me this option So Control C, V, and then Control C, and Control V. Now when I get back to raid, it should have the name and the amount. Now, if you are American and dollars is fine, then that's great. As you're seeing, it was saying amount in dollars, but on my actual, as you can see, it's pounds, not dollars, because British. So yeah, if you're in dollars, that's fine. If you want it in pound, I'll show you how to change it in a moment. Now the raid will be next, and it should have the name. Yep. So for the raid one, you just need to add the same boxes, name and amount. Anyway, let's move forth. Right at the bottom, you can change how it animates in. Like I have mine to bounce down in, or and then same bounce out down. And currency, that is one of the places you do want to change it, but also in the editor. So now what we'll go over is changing the currency and how to change the icons if you wanted to change the icons. Now we'll start off first with changing the currency. So there's two places you want to change it. You want to change it here. So you want pounds, so put GBP, scroll up to the top, click on open editor. Then you want to go to fields and right at the bottom, change that to GBP. Click done. You've changed it there. You've changed it at the bottom. Now, when it gets to donations, you'll see it'll be the pound sign. And then I'll show you how to change icons. And that's it. And that is it. So after this follow on, it will show you now, instead of dollar symbol, it'll be pound sign. There you go. That's how you change it. And that'd be how you change it for any currency, really. You'd put it in there. And then editor, field, and right at the bottom. Right, so now we'll go over how you change icons. I'm just gonna go find an icon dead quick, and then we'll be back. Right, so now the icon time. I just got myself an icon dead quick, and I'm gonna put this icon on just one of them, and you'll see that it changes just for that one, and it is super simple for you to do. Now, first off, you're gonna wanna wait. They've moved everything. Wait. They'll be in here somewhere. Image. There we go. So, static custom image. Now, if you just click on it, set image, and go to upload. Now, upload your image. Oh yeah, that terrible test thing I did. So go to upload your icon image that you've made. Random image. No, this doesn't need to be perfect for now, it's just an example. And upload. So upload the image. That's really off and wonky. That's gonna bother me. Now, if you right click on the image and click on open image in new tab, copy this URL. As you see, it's a stream elements uploads. So as long as you have this icon uploaded, like let me just get another one static image. As you can see, I do with all my other icons. I have all my icons here. What else we got here? As you can see, got all my icons, and as long as they stay here, then the symbol will be there. So say you want this icon for your chair, make sure you keep it uploaded. Now, how you want to get that onto your widget, I'll show you now. Click on it, click on open editor, and go to JavaScript. Now, if you scroll down until, what line are we on? Till 116. Till 116. As you can see, here they are. As you can see, latest follower, latest sub, post, which like I said, I don't have an image for or nothing. Then raid, cheer, latest tip, all time. Now, we said we were going to change cheer. That was third one. Second one, I think it was. So let's find chair. Follower, sub, chair. Now, this is for chair. Now, you want to change the source. And now, if you can already tell, the source is a stream elements uploads. So, as you can figure, what we probably want to do is highlight that, and we've copied this, and now we want to paste it there. Now if we click done, that is it. Literally, upload your image, open it in a new tab, get that, and paste it over there, and it'll be there now. That's it. That's how you change the icon. Everything else you change through here, like the color of that. Let me put that to red. Everything you want to change is all in here. Our animates in the font size, the color, all that there. You want to change the icon, you upload an image here, set image. You know, you pick a random image, right click, open a new tab, copy it, then click on your widget, open the editor, go to JavaScript, and put that image wherever you want from line 116 we said. So say we want to change latest follower. Now latest follower will have this icon. Next will be the cog icon that we made. But we didn't make this, was actually from the internet. And then next will be my logo. Boom. That's how easy and simple it is. That's all you gotta do. All you gotta do. So you all take care, guys. You all have an amazing day, and I'll catch you next time in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. You know, if you liked the video, great. Appreciate if you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified every week when a new video comes out. Now you all take care, guys, and I wish you the best of luck with streaming, content creation, and I will catch you next time. See you all later. Peace out, guys.